All right, so right here, you can see me. I'm using my pinky finger a lot in the beginning. I like to start my braid off really small and then gradually add in more hair. So you can see right before I'm getting to the ear, I've basically added in all of the extensions that I want to add. That's going to give me the thickness and the length that I want. So you can just see me adding in more. You don't have to continuously braid down. You can literally just stop at about 4 pieces, which I've done here, and let that be your guide so you can see how thick you want your braid. So I use that kind of like the apex of the ear right there. You see where her ear is pointed? At this point, I've already added in all the hair that I want. If I was adding in anything else after this, it would be just for length. So I'm going through, I'm smoothing out the hair so it can blend. I'm making sure that everything is tucked nicely. Going through and adding more product. Just take your time and make sure your braid is nice and even and clean. It's really simple. You just really need to slow down and see what you're doing. Anytime you see that there's hair out of place, just slow down and comb it through so it can be a nice, even, clean braid. That's what's nice about the two classic braids. They're really a staple, but if you just do them so nice and clean and crisp, it makes the world of a difference. So you can see I overdid her leave out for her baby hair because she likes to, do them herself. So, that's another guiding point. And here I do switch my method when I'm braiding down. I do underhand braiding when I'm braiding down for any hangage. That just ensures the braid is really not going to come unraveled. I just find when I do underhand braiding, it lasts longer. That's just a method that's worked for me. So pretty much I'm done here. After this, I'm really just going through any finishing touches with product and a holding spray. Taking my comb and just kind of smoothing out anything that I feel needs to be sharpened up and cleaned up. So it just depends on your client's hair texture, what you're doing after. But for the most part, she's finished. We're dipping the ends, spraying it with a holding spray, and we're good. Yeah, there was a lot of music playing clearly during all of this. So we were having fun. And I think I saw something that I wanted to start over clearly. But for the most part, you guys got the basic concepts down. Just really want to start small, right at the hairline, and just start feeding in from that point down to the apex of the ear. By that point, you've already created your thickness and everything is pretty consistent at that point. So you're pretty much done. And you can just follow that guide for really any feed-in style braids that you do. So that's that. You can follow Nia, me, the stylist, at temple_by Nia. And we're all done here. Look at how symmetrical they are. Let's turn this way. Can you just leave right there? Boom, money.
And they're staying in for 2 weeks. Watch me.
Make them last. Make them last. If you want your hair braided,
DM the kid if you want your hair retwisted. Do the same. You can get these scarves soon.